Beauty isn't a size. It's not a specific look or a certain age. Beauty is an attitude. I'm Michelle Phillips. I call myself equal parts celebrity makeup artist and beauty expert, as well as transformational coach and motivational maven. I've worked with thousands of women, from business leaders, major celebrities, and CEOs, to single moms, students, and teachers. And through my book, The Beauty Blueprint, my speaking tours, and many TV appearances, my commitment to you is to give you the very best tools and support to help you create an authentic, beautiful, and fulfilling life. Yep, it's the full Monty, that ultimate inner-outer wow. Now that's true beauty, my friends.
I am Natalie Taylor.
And I'm Michelle Phillips. And today is Wednesday, March 23rd, and you are watching Tampa Bay's Morning Blend.
Well, Father's Day is quickly approaching, and joining us today with some great gift ideas is trend editor of the Daily National, Mike Bako. Welcome to the show, Mike.
Hey, thanks so much for having me.
So what gift ideas do you have for dads, like gift ideas for around the house?
Well, this time of year, so many of us are prepping the outside of our homes and our backyards.
Student of the Month nominee right here, remember?
No. Isabella, you remind me so much of my daughter, Dakota. It's not even funny. I wish I had a picture of her. Yes, and what I loved your character in the show. And I also love, I saw an interview with you recently. You were talking about how this show is super unique because it combines like the action hero with the sitcom. Can you talk a little bit about that?
One of the things that actually drew me to this show when I got the original script and was the fact that it was unlike any other Disney show I'd ever watched.
And James, we've watched you on General Hospital for 6 years. How is this role different, being a villain and working on a Disney production?
I'm like, just have a look. You're gonna want to watch another one.
Okay, so it's already premiered on Disney, and then we can watch it on Disney Plus as well. We will definitely check it out. Awesome. And for more information, you can go to our website too. Thank you both so much for joining us today. Last but not least, I really want you to talk about the atrium inside of the hotel. It's absolutely stunning. And you have landscapes from different regions in Florida that represent like St. Augustine, Everglades.
Ava, I don't think you're listening to me. It's not about the job, it's about our friendship.
I actually have followed you for a little while because my kids watch Nickelodeon, and I've seen you on Nickelodeon. I mean, you have such an impressive career as a young woman. What's it like working on, a soap opera?
I enjoyed every second of it, and just looking back at the clips brings so many smiles to my face.
You're such a role model for young women, and you've talked about that in the past. Can you share some of the things that you really hope to convey to younger women as in your journey of your career? So much fun. I mean, we were just talking about this before, the package was that, everything is experiential now, it seems like with dining and then, even cocktails. You're getting cooking lessons. I'm loving this. James, tell us what you're making.
We're doing it right today. We're doing it skillet fried with olive oil, butter, and garlic.
Yeah, and this is how you described it earlier before we started the show was what? Make it look what?
Make it sexy.
Make it look sexy in the middle of the plate. I'm stealing that. That is so cool.
Yeah, 100%.
Yeah,
100%.
and you know what I love about Restaurant Week is you get to sample things on the menu that you wouldn't regularly try because it's a less expensive menu because there's a little bit smaller portions of everything. Okay, it's getting sexy on the plate.
I got to start. Okay, we're gonna make something happen.
Oh my goodness.
So this guy right here, there's a lot of butter, right? There's a lot of butter.
That's a lot.
But we
make it back up. I got hairspray on.